Why should a child be enrolled in an art class? Have you ever tried to find an answer to it? Isn't it the creativity and the imagination of the child which have to be explored? It is an outlet for the creativity of the child. And there are many benefits attached to it. Well, hello friends, myself is Jyoti Seth, working as a teacher for the last 35 years. Let us now see how these classes train your child to achieve success in life. First of all, focus. Art is a process that requires attention, time, and patience. As the child grow older, it is quite natural for them to explore more complicated forms of art, which can be difficult without proper guidance. Enrolling in an art class will help them to develop their craft and expand their creative ideas. An art or painting class for kids is the perfect place to nurture the artistic skills of your child. It is easier for them to grow their skills when they have an experienced mentor to guide them in their lives. Developing the creative skills takes time and, and it seldom happens overnight. If you enroll your kid in an art class, it is very beneficial as it improves their fine motor skills. There are several techniques and tools required for painting, and children need to use these tools while painting. Kids learn to use painting brushes, pencils, and other things used in art classes while they learn how to paint. Older kids can learn advanced technology of painting while they enroll for an art class. Art class is a perfect place to ignite the creative side of your brain and at the same time relax and enjoy exploring your skills. Kids enjoy this place very much. Art teaches kids to take strategic decisions and they use different techniques until they are satisfied with the result. The personality of your child undergoes various changes as they grow older with the emergence of new ideas and concepts. Decisions have consequences, and your child begin to learn more about these consequences and make informed decision accordingly. Art is a creative process, and when kids are instructed, they learn to make the right decisions, which can be carried over for the rest of their adult lives. So, do enroll them. Most of the painting classes for kids teach about different artistic techniques used by different artists. Your child will learn about various painting techniques used by artists around the world, which give them a better exposure to the world of art. It also teaches them to appreciate various forms and expression of art value, different perspectives and forms. All forms of art nurture open mindedness, which is important for your child to think and grow as an artist. The fine motor skills are helpful for kids in many ways. In day to day life, like playing and making drawings during science classes and simple household work. They excel in their physical education classes. They become good at maths classes as it requires focus and concentration. They calculate very intelligently. The mixing of colors help them to appreciate art in all the streams of life like fashion and in their outfits. They are good decision makers. Take good decisions. Think before they take any step further in life. The drawing classes gets into their mind and there is art in all the fields of life which is not visible. So do not always pay attention to studies only. These subjects are also important to develop various qualities in the life of a child. Thank you friends for listening me till the end. Kindly like and subscribe my channel, and if you have any questions do comment in the comment box. I will be very thankful to you. Please do help your child to develop new skills and abilities.